हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, लॉकडाउन का माहौल, मस्ती का माहौल, साथ साथ पढ़ाई का माहौल। आज इस स्टडीज़ के दौर में एक नया चैप्टर एक नए तरीके से आपको बताता हूँ। चैप्टर का नाम है डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस, 11th क्लास फर्स्ट चैप्टर। आप लोग डायमेंशंस निकालना सीख चुके हो। आज इसके कुछ न्यूमेरिकल्स बताता हूँ, कुछ इसकी प्रॉब्लम्स डिस्कस करते हैं हम लोग। सबसे पहले इस चैप्टर की प्रॉब्लम्स के लिए वी हैव टू कंसंट्रेट ऑन 2 पॉइंट्स। द फर्स्ट वन इज प्रिंसिपल ऑफ होमोजेनिटी। वो प्रिंसिपल जिसके बेस पर आपको इस पूरे चैप्टर के डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस के न्यूमेरिकल्स सॉल्व करने हैं। व्हाट इज दिस प्रिंसिपल? इट स्टेट्स दैट द डायमेंशन ऑफ लेफ्ट हैंड साइड of any equation must be equal to dimension of right hand side of equation. If you want to check the accuracy of any equation, you must check the whether dimensions of right hand side of the equations is equal to the dimension of RHS of that equation. If it is same, then the equation is correct, otherwise it is wrong. The second point, you must remember the dimension of force, that is M L T minus 2. On these two basics, we are going to solve so many problems today. Now the question. You are given one expression, f is equal to a root x plus bt square, where f is force, x is distance and t is time. And the question is, find the dimension of a upon b in this equation. Now, how we will solve it? Just take one part of this equation and this one. The dimension of a under root x should be equal to dimension of f, that is force. We will solve here. Dimension of f is equal to dimension of a under root x. Then dimension of a will be dimension of f upon under root x. We know the dimension of f, that is force. It is m l t minus 2, and x is distance, it is l. It will be m l t minus 2, l to the power minus 1, l to the power half, under root, it will be ml minus 2, ml t minus 2, l minus 1 raised to the power minus half. It will be m l t minus 2, l minus half. We will get final dimension of a is m l half t minus 2. Now, the second expression, the dimension of bt square should be equal to dimension of force. In the same way, dimension of f is equal to dimension of bt square. Now dimension of b will be dimension of f over t square. It will be m l t minus 2, that is t square m l t to the power minus 4. It is dimension of b. We have to find out dimension of a upon b. Just solve them. Dimension of a upon b, find these two values, put the values in the place of a and b, you will get the answer. Solve it. Now the second question. Time period of vibration of a tuning fork depends on its length, density and Young's modulus. We have to establish a relation between these four quantities and deduce this formula. Now, how will we proceed? We are given that the time period depends on length, density and Young's modulus. But we don't know the exact power, whether T depends on L or L square or L cube or under root. With the help of this dimensional analysis, we are able to find it. Now, let us assume powers. L to the power A, power B and power C. This is proportionating constant L to the power A, D to the power B and Y to the power C. Just write the dimensional formula of all these physical quantities. T is time period, K, L, D is density, mass upon volume, ml minus 3. Now, this is Y. My suggestion, find the dimension of Y on your fair copy. Y, stress upon strain, strain has got no value, dimensionless quantity. Here is the dimensional formula of Y, ml minus 1, T minus 2. It is a task of merely 30 seconds, but it will improve the beauty of your question. Any dimension above force should be solved simultaneously. Now, we are writing it value ml minus 1 and T minus 2 power C. We are just compiling them. M to the power B and C, then B plus C. L to the power A minus 3B minus C. L to the power A minus 3B minus C. Now T. T is minus 2C. Now compare both sides of equation according to principle of homogeneity. Now we are going to compare these two sides of equation according to principle of homogeneity, the basic concept of dimensional analysis. Now here the power of m is b plus c, and in LHS there is no m, the power is 0. Power of L is a minus 3b minus c, again no L, power is 0. T minus 2c is equal to 1. Now you have to solve these three equations very easily. C is equal to minus half. Put this value here, you will get b is equal to plus half. Put this two value in this equation. A will be minus 3 by 2 plus half is equal to 0. The value of A is 1. Now we get value of B, C and A. Put these three values in this equation, you will get T proportional L to the power A, L to the power A, D to the power B, D to the power half, and C, Y to the power C, that is minus half, Y to the power minus half. Solve them, rewrite them, D to the D over Y, and this is under root. This is your required answer. I am repeating. Put the values of A, B and C in this equation. You will get L to the power 1, D to the power half, Y to the power minus half. When you rearrange it, you will get the same expression as desired by you. Next question. You know simple pendulum? This question is based on simple pendulum. And we are going to check the accuracy of this equation. The time period of a simple pendulum is given by this equation, where L is length, G is gravitational acceleration, and T is time period. We are going to check whether this equation is correct or not dimensionally. As we told you earlier, our principle of this chapter is POH, principle of homogeneity. Write the dimension of LHS. Is equal to dimension of T, that is T. Don't forget to write the dimension without bracket. Always write the dimension within brackets. Now RHS. The dimension of RHS is equal to dimension of 2 pi L over G. Dimension of RHS is equal to dimension of 2 pi L over G. We know 2 pi is a dimensionless constant, लेकिन इसको गायब करने के लिए इसको इज्जत दे के गायब करेंगे, ऐसे नहीं गायब कर देंगे. यहाँ लिखेंगे 2 pi is dimensionless. Now write the dimension of L and G, LT minus 2, it is T square. Here we see the dimension of LHS does not equal to dimension of RHS. So, according to principle of homogeneity, और ये लाइन लिखनी है कॉपी पर, द गिवन इक्वेशन इज इनकरेक्ट. ये दो लाइनें आपको लिखनी पड़ेंगी. आई एम रिपीटिंग. द अकॉर्डिंग टू प्रिंसिपल ऑफ होमोजेनिटी, द डायमेंशन ऑफ LHS डज नॉट इक्वल टू डायमेंशन ऑफ RHS, हैंस द इक्वेशन इज रॉन्ग. किसी भी चीज को गलत बताना बहुत सरल है. बता दिया हमने, इसको सही भी तो करो. एक चित्रकार था, पेंटर, उसने एक सुंदर सी पोर्ट्रेट बनाई और उसने चौराहे पर जाकर रख दिया, कुछ मार्कर पेन वहाँ रख दिए कि जिसको जो कमी नज़र आए वहाँ क्रॉस का निशान बना दे. शाम को जब वो अपना पोर्ट्रेट लेने गया तो देखा उसमें 1000 क्रॉस के निशान बने थे. जो भी निकलता बैठता आता था, किसी का आँख ऊंची है, आँख नीची है, मुंह नीचा है, दाढ़ी ठीक से नहीं बनाई है, तमाम जगह कट्टम लगे हुए थे उसके क्रॉस. अगले दिन फिर उसने पोर्ट्रेट बनाया और अब की बार मार्कर पेन की जगह पेंट और ब्रश रख दिए और लिख दिया जिसको जहाँ खराब लगे वहाँ सही कर दे. शाम तक उसका पोर्ट्रेट वैसे ही रखा हुआ था. हम ऐसे नहीं है ना, हम इसको सही करके बताते हैं. इसमें एक हमको रिलेशन दिया हुआ है कि टाइम पीरियड डिपेंड्स ऑन लेंथ एंड ग्रेविटी बिकॉज 2 पाई इज डायमेंशनलेस कांस्टेंट. हम इसको इस तरह लिखेंगे, T प्रोपोर्शनल L एंड G. L टू द पावर ABC कुछ मान लें, XYZ कुछ मान लें, T इज इक्वल टू K L टू द पावर X G टू द पावर Y. This is K L X plus Y T minus 2Y. Now again remember POH, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ होमोजेनिटी. ये प्रिंसिपल ऑफ होमोजेनिटी क्या है? ये रामायण का संपुट है. आप क्या कभी रामायण या सुंदरकांड हुआ होगा तो एक संपुट रख लिया जाता है, दीनदयाल बिरसंभारी हरौनाथ मम संकट भारी. ये वही है, हर सवाल में इसको याद किया जाएगा. जिस तरह संपुट समय समय पर वहाँ रिपीट किया जाता है, वो संपुट लिख कर यहाँ अकॉर्डिंग टू POH हम इसके दोनों साइड को कंपेयर करेंगे. दैट इज X प्लस वाई पावर ऑफ L, यहाँ कुछ है नहीं, 0, यहाँ -2y इज इक्वल टू 1, y इज इक्वल टू -12 and x is equal to +12. When we put these two values in this equation, we will find T proportional L to the power half G to the power -12. Add a proportionating constant 2 pi L upon G covered with under root. This is the correct answer of this equation. This is the correct form. Students, I have given you some questions, some examples of this chapter. The more you will get on the assignment attached with, please solve them. Please solve the questions of your NCERT book, your reference book, and submit you will find the solution. All the best.